Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make these really simple, delicious garlic cheese mushrooms. I'm going to be doing them in the air fryer. You don't have to though. Okay, listen, I've got some regular white mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. I'm not going to peel them. If you want, you could peel them. I've got the stalks of them as well, which I've chopped up. They're going to go into the mix. Then I've got some mozzarella and some Parmesan cheese. You can change the cheese if you want. A tiny amount of chopped onion, a tiny amount of garlic, a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of oregano. Now you can really mix and blend the amounts as to how you want it. Simply all in a bowl, and then we're just going to give that a little mix. And then obviously what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stuffing this into our mushrooms. Try and kind of compact it in as much as you can. Like I say, I'm going to go for the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can just put these on a metal tray, put them into a super hot oven, for maybe 6 or 7 minutes. What I'm going to be doing is putting them into a aluminium or tin foil container. I pop them in my air fryer for about 6 or 7 minutes only at 180. Job done. They're absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now, if you do like what you've seen, please do give me a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. Helps the channel out a great deal. By the way, we've got over 4,000 recipes on the channel. Take a look.